In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link between iPhone and iPad. First, you need to make sure you are signed into your Apple account on both your iPhone and iPad. This is a crucial step because it ensures that both devices are properly synced. When you are signed in, your devices can communicate and share information seamlessly. If you are unsure whether you are signed in, you can easily check by going to the Settings app on each device. Look for your name at the top of the Settings menu. If you see it, that means you are signed in. If not, take a moment to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Next up, let's turn on Wi-Fi on both devices. Wi-Fi connectivity is essential for sharing links through your iPhone and iPad. To do this, access the Settings app, then tap on Wi-Fi. Ensure the switch is toggled to the on position. You should see a list of available networks. Choose your preferred network and connect. A strong Wi-Fi connection allows for faster and more reliable sharing. After setting up Wi-Fi, the next step is to turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth plays a key role in allowing your devices to interact at close range. To activate it, go back to the Settings app on both devices. Tap on Bluetooth and turn the switch to the on position. When Bluetooth is enabled, your devices can detect each other easily. This step is important because it facilitates smooth communication between your iPhone and iPad. With Bluetooth ready, navigate to Settings, then General, and find AirPlay and Handoff. This section contains settings that are vital for sharing content between Apple devices. Scroll down until you see Handoff. Make sure it is turned on. Handoff is a feature that lets you start something on one device and continue it on another. This is what makes sharing links between your iPhone and iPad so convenient. It's like a bridge connecting your devices. Now that Handoff is enabled, you can seamlessly share links from your iPhone to your iPad automatically. This means you can start browsing a website on your iPhone and continue on your iPad with just a tap. Whenever you open a link on your iPhone, a small icon will appear on the bottom left corner of your iPad's lock screen. Simply tap this icon and the same link will open on your iPad. It's that simple. This feature is incredibly useful for multitasking and keeps your workflow efficient. Remember, the key to successful link sharing lies in ensuring that all these settings are correctly configured. If at any point you encounter issues, double-check each step to make sure everything is turned on and both devices are connected to the same network. This process not only saves time but also enhances your productivity by allowing you to switch between devices effortlessly. With that ready, you're all set to enjoy the convenience of sharing links between your iPhone and iPad. This feature is a testament to how integrated and user-friendly Apple's ecosystem is, making everyday tasks smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.